G'day Beeks, Tech here. I'm now starting my 60th year in beekeeping. With 10 beekeepers in discussion, there will be 20 answers. I work with the 21st answer. I dare to be different. I call this the Tech method. Need to remove excess gear and clean the ute tray. Not only the beekeeping side of beekeeping, it's all preparedness that you've got to prepare before you start beekeeping. Yeah, I've just undone all the elastic ropes, preparing the ute for another day's work out on site. Subscribe to learn more. And now I'm going to tidy up these M-locks. This is what happens when you don't tie them up or wrap them up when you finish with them. Here's about 5 or 6 that I've got to untangle and start from fresh. They're tied up with a piece of electrical wire. So there it is, finished. I don't wrap them up tight, I roll them up, because if you keep wrapping them up they get rust in all the bends and then they break. I have 2 different sizes of M-locks. One is 2.5 metres for single and double nukes or triple nukes, and the other one is 3.5 metres long, and they are for the triple honey production hives. It has an extra tie on the bottom so that I know the difference between them. This is a couple of old plastic gilfoil excluders, flat type. They've been through the radiation plant a couple of times. It's pretty good plastic. I'd say they've probably been through 3 times, whereas a lot of the new plastics you're lucky to get twice through the radiation plant. These are now going to the tip. I've finished with them. I've got heaps of or sufficient metal excluders, which are far superior. There are the M-locks all tidied up, ready to be reused again. All rolled, not kinked. This is my storage area on the fence. On that side there is the M-locks for the triple honey hives. It's a 3.5 length, not a 2.5 length. Here is one of the ties on the larger M-locks. This is a 3.5 metre length for the triple honey hives. And on this side here, there's no tie on the bottom, which tells me straight away that they are for the nukes. Here I have a 4-frame steel excluder, which I'm now wrapping up for storage until I use it next time. It's easier to wrap them up in paper, that way you don't get wax or propolis all over your vehicle. Yeah, I'm allergic to getting sticky honey or propolis over my vehicle. This is a new green mat that is about 6-8 months old, and my ute is 2005 model, and there is no honey or propolis on the floor. I'm allergic to sticky propolis or honey. Here you see a broodroom mat for a nuke on the left, and on the right are two small hive beetle trap covers. This is a 5-frame spacer, so they can put a 4-frame excluder on, and then as a second super I can put a 4-frame super on top of that above the excluder when I haven't got enough other gear out on site. The final act, blowing all the shit off the floor. This is where my blower stand fits. When I fit or place a super of honey on the stand, take 3 out, equalise, I can blow a whole super of honey out in under 2 minutes. Very, very efficient. The final stage is to reconnect all the elastic tie down straps. All the smokers have been cleaned with thinners, so there's no wax or poplars on them. Ready for the next run with working with bees. Thanks for watching. There you see some of my ties for tying up my M-locks. The ute is now clean and tidy, tarp is completed and ready for the next beekeeping work. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channel to help it grow.